up, everybody? It's your boy Twinkie, and I got some more material for you today. So I know it's been a while, and I'm sorry. I kind of had an accident at work, and I almost chopped off my finger. Yeah, unfortunately, for about 2 months there, I was down for the count, out of work, and up until just now, I haven't really been on the bike to try to avoid hurting it anymore. Warning, graphic content is about to be displayed. Viewer discretion is advised. If anybody wants to skip these, go ahead and skip ahead 5 seconds. Today is Wednesday, the middle of the week. Hump day! I'm on my way to the dentist. Yeah, I got a dentist appointment in about 20 minutes. And then after that, then I gotta go to work. After work, I am heading from Reading area up to Auburn. There is a generator that my brother found on Facebook Marketplace that's for sale. They said it's relatively newer, but the engine runs, but it doesn't put out power. It doesn't generate. The generator does not generate anymore. So I'm gonna take a ride up there after work, take a look at it, and see if it's worth me spending a couple bucks on it to take it back and try to fix it. Well, howdy, sir. I gotta say, after almost 2 months of not being able to ride in beautiful weather, seeing hundreds of other people out on their bikes, oh dude, it just hurts so bad. But it feels so good now, so here we go. And for anybody who's wondering, I do plan on possibly buying a generator with Black Betty after work. And if I buy it, then I gotta take it home and then take it to work tomorrow. So it's a good thing I brought the trailer. Dirt trailer. Yeah. Whoop whoop, why though? Coming through. Hell yeah. What's up? How's it going, buddy? So one thing that I did not tell you guys that I haven't updated you on yet is Kenny. I no longer have Kenny. Kenny is no longer my vehicle. And I'll tell you why. Anybody that's aware of this current economy, prices just started going up. So Kenny only had like 33,000 miles when I got rid of him, which meant that his value skyrocketed. So I had a loan that I still owed a little over 9 grand on. Luckily, Kenny's value jumped up over $14,000. Since I owed only 9, I ended up walking out of We Buy Any Cars showroom or whatever you want to call that place with a check for $3,500, and I felt pretty good about that. Got out of the loan free and clear, not a repo, and I left with extra money in my pocket. So I took that $3,500 and I went and I bought a 03 Trailblazer. So here's that. And I haven't thought of a name for the Trailblazer yet. So if anybody out there could help me come up with a name, I'll definitely be sure to give you a shout out on my next video. Before people to just start flooding me with names for the Trailblazer, it's got to be fitting. It has to be fitting. It has to fit the vehicle itself, the color of the vehicle, and it's kind of got to like flow off your tongue, you know? Like, really curious to see what other people might come up with. So let me know. I can ride my bike with no handlebars, no handlebars, no handlebars. And then I can split the atoms of a molecule. Oh man. What the f is on my shoe now? What the hell? Good thing it was in my shoe and not my tire. Oh damn. We are here. Yeah. had my mouth violated by a doctor of dental science. I am headed to work now. Alrighty, folks. I'm at work now. So I will be seeing y'all later. Well, it was a long day at work, but I made it. I'm still not quite used to being back to work and being on my feet for 8+ hours through the day. My feet are pretty sore again today, but it's all right. It's getting better. It's getting a little bit better as the days go on. My feet hurt less and less by the end of the day. So now I am heading down to the gas station, and I'm gonna fill up Black Betty, get myself a drink, and then we're gonna head up to Auburn and go look at that generator. Oh, that's cute. That'll put a hole in someone's tire. And just toss that over there. I am fueled up, ready to go, and let's go see if we can buy a generator. So the GPS tells me I got about a 40-minute drive, well, ride in my case, but that being said, I'm gonna try to get there in one go without stopping. So my battery probably won't be holding the charge the whole way. So if we skip a little bit, I'm sorry. Howdy, howdy. Woo, I just got a rush of a cool breeze, and that felt amazing. Well, we still got battery. I don't know for how much longer, but we'll see. Apparently I'm 5 minutes away, so. Hello. I'm here for need my ID? Up. All right, thank you. As you can tell, I am in a gated community. So hopefully this generator doesn't turn out to be a complete waste of time. Once I get out of this gated community, then I'll pull over, take a little breather, change my battery. I didn't want to do all that in front of their house. I'm gonna pull over right here. That's pretty neat. Wow, pretty nifty. Here is the generator. It's a Duramax XP 5500E. Engine runs good. They said it did in the listing. Battery is good. Electric start works. So, like I said, they said it wasn't putting out power. Now, I only tested the 120 here. I didn't test the 120 240 hookup there, so there could be something wrong with that one. I don't know. Could be something wrong with the 12-volt output. I don't know, but we'll see when I get it back. Well, it was worth the trip, that's for sure, because either way, even if it does have a problem that I can't fix, there's still a lot of good parts on that generator. So, and the thing looks like new, so. One thing I do have to do on the way home is stop at Dollar General. Woo! When are they going to fix that damn bridge? Oh man, I hope I don't get stuck in the rain. It would really blow. Got that TP, so when I roll up and people shit themselves, I can throw them a roll. And it's Angel Soft. This video is not sponsored by Angel Soft. Or by this Duramax people, whatever Chinese company that is. Let's go home. Although my finger is pretty much healed as far as the wound goes, it definitely looks a lot better than it did. Here's a picture of that for you. But the sensitivity is still there a little bit. Some things hurt a little bit, and sometimes when I grab the clutch it hurts a little bit, but hey, no pain, no gain, right? The bone inside of the tip of my finger here, from here to here, that part right there, that bone was broken, and according to the plastic surgeon, that bone will never, well, probably will never heal, and they only go in at a later date to remove the broken piece if it causes a problem with, you know, like your daily activities, your job, or whatever. I am really not liking the look of these clouds that I am riding in under. Well, guys and gals, that pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys liked it. It's been a while since I've uploaded. I'll try to get some more up. But if you guys liked the video, leave a like, comment, hit the subscribe button, and hit that bell icon notification button. This way you're notified when my next video comes out. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.